In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Yahoo your homepage in Google Chrome. Now, setting a homepage can really streamline your web browsing experience, especially if you have a favorite site you like to start with each time you open your browser. So let's dive right in and get this set up together. First, you'll want to begin by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, shift your attention to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see three vertical dots stacked atop one another. This is your main menu button, which provides you access to a variety of browser settings. Go ahead and give it a click. After you've clicked on those three dots, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll need to select the Settings option. Doing so will open up a new tab where you can configure all sorts of options for Google Chrome to better suit your personal preferences. This central hub is where you'll be making the changes to set Yahoo as your homepage. Moving forward, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the Settings tab. Here, you'll notice a menu with several different options. What you want to do is click on the option called On Startup. This section specifically deals with what happens when you first launch Chrome. By customizing these settings, you can make your browsing experience more efficient and tailored to your needs. Once you're in the On Startup section, you'll be presented with a few different options. For today, though, we're specifically interested in the option that says, Open a specific page or set of pages. Click on this option, and it will expand to display some additional choices for you. This is exactly where you want to be. Now, you'll see an opportunity to add new pages that you want Chrome to open automatically when you launch the browser. Click on the option that says, Add a new page. This is where the magic happens, and you get to tell Chrome exactly which site you want to greet you every time you start browsing. In the space provided, enter the URL for Yahoo, which is https://www.yahoo.com. Make sure you type it correctly to avoid any mishaps. After entering the URL, finalize your choice by clicking the Add button. And that's it. You've now successfully set Yahoo as your homepage in Google Chrome. Each time you open Chrome, Yahoo will be the very first page that appears, ready for you to browse or search right away. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this helps transform your browsing routine into a smoother, more efficient experience. Enjoy your customized Chrome setup.